In this video, we'll write the electron configuration for Ra, that's radium. So the first thing we need to do is we need to know how many electrons we have for radium. So we can look at the periodic table, and the atomic number for radium's 88. That means it has 88 protons. Because it's neutral, there's no negative or positive sign after it. Number of protons equals electrons. We have 88 electrons, and we're going to distribute them here in our electron configuration. Radium is right here on the periodic table, so I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have the S1, and this is the S2 block. So 7s2. So I know it's got to end in 7s2. Let's use the diagonal rule to figure out the rest of this up here. So we'll use this diagram here. If you need help learning to use this, there's a link in the description on how to do that. But we just go down and follow the arrows. So we have 1s, s holds up to 2, so we have 1s2, that's full. Then we go to 2s, that holds 2, it's full. From 2s we go to 2p, p holds up to 6, we have our 2p6. Then 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. After the 4s2 though, we go to the 3d, and d's can hold up to 10. So we have our 3d10, 4p6, 5s2. From the 5s we go to 4d, again d's hold up to 10, that's full. 5p6, 6s2. From the 6s we go to 4f, and f's hold up to 14. Then we go to the 5d10, 6p6, and we said it ends in 7s2. If we count up the electrons here, our 7s2, that would give us 88, a total of 88 electrons. So that's where we stop. This is the electron configuration for Ra. Because this is so long, sometimes you'll see brackets put around this part here. This is the electron configuration for xenon. So we could put Xe, that's the noble gas xenon, in brackets. So that's all of this here. And then we write our 7s2. So this is the condensed notation for the electron configuration for radium. So radium will lose these two valence electrons when it forms bonds. So it becomes Ra2+. So if we wanted to write the electron configuration for the radium ion, that Ra2+, we would just change this here to a 0. And that would be the electron configuration for Ra2+. This is Dr. B with the electron configuration for radium and the radium ion, Ra2+. Thanks for watching.